Kilo Echo 8, Alpha Romeo Lima.
There's an Echo 8 station.
Kilo Echo 8, Alpha Romeo Lima.
Yes, sir. I got you. This is KC9VKV. What's the name there?
Name's Bruce, Bravo Romeo Uniform Charlie Echo. Bruce. I'm in Battle Creek, Michigan, which is 110 miles west of Detroit.
Roger, come back and talk to me just for a second. I want to check out my my SDR in Pennsylvania.
You're tuning through and I heard you in there, and I have to go out in the garage here pretty quick and change the front brake pads on my truck. But other than that, there, Jim, you're 5'9" here in Battle Creek.
Roger, Roger. Well, now, is that a big? That's a pretty big job changing brakes, isn't it?
No, not really. Just take the front wheels off, and there's two bolts that hang that the caliper are fastened to the support there, and that's a pretty simple job. Probably only take me about a half hour.
Roger, Roger. Now, look at your frequency and tell me that you're on 7189. It sounds like you might be half a click low.
I could be there, Jim. I'm on a 1971 Tram TR4. I had refurbished this summer, so I'm on a hand mic, a Turner 355C, but I could be off frequency one way or another.
Just a tad low, I think, but sounding good. Sounding good. And I wish you luck on your brake job there, man. I hope all those springs and things go back into place exactly like they should be. And when you take off, there's no squeaking and squawking, and everything works fine, Roger.
Yep, I will put the grease in the right places, and like you said, I've done it many times, and I'm 53 years old there, Jim, and I've probably done brake jobs, shoot, it's countless times, so, and I'm very mechanical, but all right there, Jim, I did touch your VFO just a little bit, and boy, it's awful touchy on this old Drake, but that last overview was like 10 dB over S9. I appreciate the contact, Jim. Have a good weekend, and shoot, we'll talk to you later some other day, okay? KC9 Victor Kilo Victor from Kilo Echo 8 Alpha Romeo Lima, Battle Creek, Michigan. Thank you, sir.
Roger, Roger, sir. That radio sounds beautiful. I have a Drake TR4C, and I know what you mean there. I never could wait for half an hour for the thing to stabilize. But in past that, and probably even worse, I always ran a blower on it, and that blower would take longer for the radio to heat up because it was, circulating the air. So it took, probably it took more than the better part of an hour for it to get stable. And I never could wait for that. So I just always would put my hand on the VFO and play touch-up all the time. Well, anyway, we'll say threes for now, and we'll catch you later. If you get a chance, drop by next Friday. And luck on the brake job. KC9VKV.
Yeah, real quick here, Jim, I do have like a 4x4 fan sitting on top of the transmitter here. I've got a sub-VFO sitting next to it with the power supply built in, and yes, it's been running probably just a half hour, but I hear what you're saying. Thank you, my friend, KE8ARL.
Roger, Roger. Three's that away, sir. Have a good evening. We'll catch you later. This is KC9VKV in the Qso-Vlog program. If you have a radio you want to check out, give me a shout. We're recording between now and 5 Eastern, KC9VKV.